Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install XAMPP in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and simply come over into the search option and then simply search for XAMPP. If you search for XAMPP, you're going to get friends.org website, and if you click on XAMPP installer and download for Apache Friends, if you click on that, then you're going to find out download option over here. Into the download option, you can simply get the 3 different operating system download section. I will going to download for the Windows. If you have different operating system, you can simply choose. Click on that Windows if you are in Windows, and then you can simply get a short delay over here, and then you can simply see the installation process is beginning. It will take some seconds to complete. For that, you need to keep patience. You can see the exe file is downloaded, but don't click on install right now. Just simply go for the folder option, select the installation exe file, click on the right mouse button and run as administrator. You can see the welcome to XAMPP showing, and you can see that there is an important warning. It's called because an activated user account control on your systems, some functions of XAMPP are possibly restricted. Well, for that, what we can do, you can simply come over into the start icon and simply search for, type here, change user account control setting. You can see, maybe for the blur you cannot see it. If I just minimize it, and now if I just simply type here user, you can see change user account control setting. If you get it, click on that, and then if you simply click on OK, that's it. Now if you go for the setup wizard, click next, leave it as default. If you have any good reasons to change, you can simply change it, but I prefer to leave it as default and simply click next. If you want to change the folder, just simply click on this button, and here you can simply select your, so I'm going to select the folder and simply click next and select the language as English and click next, and as you can see, the installation is beginning. It will take some more minutes to complete. For that, you need to keep patience. And you can see the setup wizard is completed, and now if you click on finish, it will going to open the XAMPP control panel. And what you do after here, if you want to know that, you can simply comment below and I'm going to show you after that video, after this function, what it really does and how you can simply start it, how you can simply play it, and what you can really do with it. If you need it, you can simply comment below. I will make another video about this topic. So right now, this is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.